My name is Joe Grigg. I'm an applications engineer here at Okuma America, and today we are demonstrating one of our newest partners in technology, Air Turbine Tools. One of the key benefits to Air Turbine Tools is the ability to add 25,000 to up to 90,000 RPMs directly to your Cat 40 15,000 RPM spindle.
Today we are working on the Okuma MB-46. With Air Turbine, you not only have high speed, but you also have high power due to the patented built-in governor, which allows the tool to run at its rated speed under load with no lag.
The addition of an Air Turbine spindle will make your Okuma machine a high-speed machine.
With only 2 moving parts, Air Turbine spindles are highly reliable. Air Turbine spindles do not generate any heat, which means no thermal growth, which also means you can run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The big difference with Air Turbine is our proprietary governor. This governor increases the airflow when the tool is under load, and this allows us to stay at our high torque and high RPM. With our 625 50,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle, we were able to reduce the cycle time down to 15 minutes. That's a 330% reduction in cycle time. With Air Turbine Tools, you only need 90 psi of clean, dry air. There's also no control boxes, there's no oil misters, and no wires to get in the way. Air Turbine spindles require no lubrication and no maintenance. Okumas are known for their rigidity and high-quality finishes. You can see the finish is similar with the Air Turbine spindle compared to the main spindle, but the difference is the 300% reduction in cycle time. Your Air Turbine spindle will load automatically just like a regular static tool holder, but it will allow you to go much faster and turn your regular milling machine into a high-speed milling center. Adding a 50,000 RPM spindle to your Okuma will optimize your tool life and your finishes.
Made in the USA, born of innovation and reinvestment over 30 years, Air Turbine spindles are increasing productivity for customers worldwide.
Remember, with Air Turbine, you only need 90 psi of clean, dry air.
This is the part that we did for the Air Turbine Tool demo. This part is made out of 1045 steel.
Try Air Turbine spindles and you'll see the difference.